Hey everybody, thanks for coming to dance with me. I'm Laura and today we're gonna work on the half break. We're gonna talk about both feet, switching sides, that shuffle, and variations. Say, Laura, didn't you already do the half break? It's true, but it was over a year ago. I mean, check that out. Ew, things have totally changed. We've got a better camera. We've got microphones. We've got lighting. We've got the twins feature. I know you guys like the twins feature. Plus, Michelle Davies had said that she had not seen it, which I'm kind of glad, and she wanted some help with half breaks. Speaking of Michelle Davies, thank you, people of Patreon, for making videos like this possible for everybody in the world, including people like you. And if you want to join them, the link's in the description. So we're just gonna start building up the basics through dance. Follow along. That's the basic shape, but what's commonly done is a syncopation. Follow along and see if you can hear the difference. Let's work that transition. There are so many, but this is one I really like. Now, in case you need it, let's break some of that down. For the syncopation, let's clap out the difference to make sure we can really hear it. We're gonna alternate eights, and remember the half break starts on An 8. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. If you can hear that pushed beat, that is the moment where you kick. Check it out and follow along. 6, 7. Notice with the syncopated version, I jump on the floor instead of doing that forward rock step. I also use my arms to get a little lift since I'm going to be in the air a little longer. Now let's talk about that transition. We're going to start by just walking it out. Notice where I'm sending my body to free up my other toe to do the tap for the transition. Now add a little pep, you got it. In order to do this transition, you need to focus, remember your intention, and break that muscle memory so your other foot can do its job. Now that's the basic half break, but remember this is also a tap step, and in tap, they have shuffles. Now in Lindy Hop, you don't have to do shuffles. Many people don't do shuffles. I frequently don't do shuffles, and when I do, they're a little sus. However, in the interest of completeness, let's talk about shuffles. Note, I'm still not a tap dancer because of course I'm not. Tap is very difficult. You don't just become a tap dancer after a couple of months. I will tell you what I know to the best of my ability. However, feel free to seek out other sources, including live instructors in your area. So from what I understand, shuffles, like the kickball change, don't come from your foot. They come from your leg coming up and down. So think about bringing your leg up, bending your knee, and then when you relax your knee, relax your foot, that will bring the foot down to the ground and there will be a shuffle. At least that's the theory. Let's try it out. Now let's put that shuffle into the kickball change. We're gonna do it nice and slow. It is harder slow, but we could use that challenge. You got a nice, strong basic half break. The next step, in my opinion, is to break it. See what you can do with it. See if you can change the shape of your legs, the shape of your arms. Put that first step of the half break somewhere else. Instead of right underneath, you put it forward, backward, sideways. Try crossing it, see what that does. The whole half break itself, see if you can move it sideways on either leg. Take that half break and turn it either direction. What can you do to make those transitions flow? Try going forwards and backwards. With just a couple of tweaks, you can make the half break look like a totally different move. notice that when you go forwards, isn't that the gaze-afar? I think that's the gaze-afar. Maybe that's how they made it up. I hope you had fun and learned a lot. If you did, like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what half break variations you made up. If you like the music, you know it's in the description. If you want Lindy Hop prints and stuff, you can get those in the description too. And importantly, half of the money that I get from this channel goes towards organizations that support African diasporic art forms and art, because this is a Black dance and that's very important. And of course, the best way to learn how to dance to get good at that half break is to do it a bunch. Dance it out.